If you caught my last upload, I took my Fox Buddy out for a test drive, and I was running into a slight misfire issue, and I've already ran into this before, and I had a sneaky suspicion because previously this boot has burned up on this header. So that's why when I got new wires, I ran it underneath the intake. Now all the other wires look good until I got to this side. When I got to this one, the spark plug wire was basically inside the heat shield, just laying in there. So I pulled that out, which left the boot, and that's the boot right there. So don't think if you have a misfire issue just because you got the heat shields over your boots that it's not that. It very well can be, and this is the second time that I've experienced it.